Good morning, Saugus. I'm Jeremy Carr, and today is Wednesday, December 3rd.
And I'm Taylor Dyrstadt. This is SNN.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about National Make a Gift Day.
This day celebrates the tradition of handmade gifts, which has been around for thousands of years, long before stores and online shopping existed. People used to craft presents from simple materials to show care, creativity, and personal connection.
Handmade gifts became especially meaningful during the holidays because they took time, effort, and thought. Whether someone knitted, baked, carved, or painted, the gift carried a personal touch that made it unique. Even today, DIY gifts remain a popular tradition because they let people express themselves and create something truly one of a kind. And in honor of making DIY gifts, Taylor, I made you a fire-breathing chicken dragon.
Oh, thank you. That's very thoughtful of you, Jeremy. So, Saugus, whether you're making a card, baking a treat, or crafting something special for someone you care about, especially if it's their birthday, today is the perfect day to let your creativity shine. And remember, if it looks a little crooked or messy, just say it's artistic. Maybe you can even say avant-garde.
Now here with a special presentation is our own Mr. Fricky and Chris Chase.
Good morning, Saugus High School. I'm Mr. Fricky here with Chris Chase from the American Legion. Today, we're interviewing 11th grade students who are applying to participate in California Boys and Girls State 2026. To tell you a little more about this, I'd like to introduce Chris from the American Legion.
Hi, I'm Chris Chase, and I serve as a county counselor and assistant director of the California Boys and Girls State program. The program is a week-long, hands-on political science experience that takes place in June for 1 week on the campus of Sacramento State University. We select people who have just completed their junior year of high school, and only the best kids in the state of California get to attend this program. We usually have around 920 students who attend. It's very competitive to get in.
And we're very excited for our juniors who are applying today. But right now, we'd like to honor last year's Boys and Girls State student from Saugus High School, SNN's very own Carden Watson. Carden?
Hey!
And we also like to honor Carden from our local state representatives. We have first from the city of Santa Clarita.
Signed by Mayor William Miranda, a certificate of congratulations from the Santa Clarita City Council.
Thank you.
And on behalf of the California State Assembly, our California State Assembly person, Pilar Chiavo, would like to recognize Carden for her exceptional participation in California Boys and Girls State.
Thank you.
And also on behalf of the California State Senate.
Suzette Valadares congratulates you on your participation, your selection and your participation in the program.
Thanks again.
Carden was an amazing representative for Saugus High School. We know she's going on to bigger and better things in college. Congratulations, Carden. You're an amazing representative for Saugus High School, and we look forward to seeing who will represent Saugus High School at 2026 Boys and Girls State. Congratulations, Carden.
Congratulations, Carden.
Thanks.
Oh, and now we go on to the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
FBLA is hosting Toys for Tots until December 10th. Every unwrapped toy donates amounts to 1 service hour. You can drop off toys in room C301. Now we will go to Aura Record with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Cole Stadler.
And I'm Austin Judd.
For today's episode of Cooking with SNN, we thought we'd show you how to make a Dr. Pepper sheet cake.
Here's the ingredients and how to make it.
Melt butter in a saucepan with Dr. Pepper and cocoa. Bring it to a boil, then remove from heat. For your batter, whisk together dry ingredients, flour, sugar, and baking soda in a bowl. Pour the hot mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir, then add eggs, buttermilk, and vanilla. Whisk together until smooth. Next, pour your batter into a prepared pan and spread evenly. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once done baking, immediately pour your frosting of choice over the warm cake. Spread evenly. Cool completely before slicing. Once done, you are ready to prepare. Grab some slices and enjoy. Maybe an obscure recipe, but it sure is a good one. I've been Cole Stadler.
And I've been Austin Judd. Let's head back to our anchors.
Thanks, Cole. My apologies for the technical difficulties. I'm Moira Record. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Moira Record with today's Saugus Sports Update. Tomorrow, boys soccer plays Kenyon at Kenyon. Frosh plays at 3:15, Varsity plays at 5, and JV plays at 6:30. Girls soccer also plays Kenyon at Saugus. Frosh plays at 3:15, Varsity plays at 5, and JV plays at 6:30. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. The final intramural Turkey Bowl tournament will be held today at lunch on the football field. Girls flag football tryouts will be today from 3 to 4 on the field between the tennis courts and the baseball field. Wear appropriate athletic clothing and cleats if you have them. Track and field tryouts will continue to be held today through Thursday from 3 to 5 on the track. Wear appropriate athletic clothing, shoes, and bring water. No spikes are allowed during tryouts. Baseball tryouts for returning players are next Wednesday, December 10th, from 1:15 to 3:15, and tryouts for new players are Thursday, December 11th, from 3:15 to 5. Boys tennis tryouts have been moved to tomorrow at 3 on the Saugus tennis courts. Remember to bring your tennis racket, athletic shoes, and water. That's all for me. Now let's go back to our anchors.
Thanks, Aura.
The Santa Clarita Scholarship Foundation is now accepting applications through January 16th. For more information on how to apply, go to cvsf.org.
Key Club will be hosting a shoebox drive for the Santa Clarita Boys and Girls Club through December 8th. If you would like to donate, you can bring empty shoeboxes, wrapping paper, toys, basic necessities, or any gifts for children 7 to 18 to room J106. That's all for today. I'm Jeremy Carr. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Taylor Dyrstadt. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow. But before we go, we have a special birthday announcement for our fearless leader, Wade Edward Williams.
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mr. Williams. Happy birthday to you.
We can fade?